Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download an image from Behance. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now first of all, you want to go ahead and choose an image which you want to go ahead and download. So for example, for today, let's use this one. Now once you opened it up, you want to go ahead and click on the image one time. Now this will pop up. And now you want to click anywhere on your image with the right click of your mouse and click inspect. After you've done that, you want to locate the image and click on the three dots right there, and then you will see the link to it. So you want to click a few times on it where it says CRC, which is source. So you want to copy the link, and it has JPG at the end. Now you want to go to a new tab on your browser and paste the link there. Now, after you've pasted the link on a new tab, you want to click the right click of your mouse again, click Save Image As. And now, as you can see, once you will save it, it has a JPG, save it. And now your image is saved. Now you can open it up. And here it is. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.